EEN, and all's good under the rule of Theodosius II. Someone proposed to our sole ruler, the king, to fortify the walls of the city. Here, civilians think that is a good idea, since barbarians are always attacking Byzantine all the time. If the king agrees, we will all be protected by the Theodosian walls. Isn't that great? But the good news is that we're still okay, and life goes on in Byzantine. Today, Flavius Byssus created a new modern tunica. Lovely, isn't it? Also, workers and slaves have just started the creation of the church Hagia Sophia. It'll be the biggest church in the empire, according to the builders. The most famous, and probably the best painter of the time, artist is planning to make the image of Christ Pantocrator on the walls of Hagia Sophia. Coming up, there is a chariot racing event between the blue and green team. Two great rivals, and will be held at the Hippodrome of Constantinople as usual. The Hippodrome is located near where the Hagia Sophia is going to be built, so you can't miss it. Let's see who wins. Coming back to the kingdom of Theodosius, the king gave Attila the Hun 300 gold, so they won't attack the empire for at least a year. Here, we think that's a bad idea, because we are paying for it. Anyways, this is it for us. We will be leaving. This is EEN, and good night, Byzantine.